Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to turn off sync all page content on OneNote. So if you also want to turn off sync all page content on OneNote, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Microsoft OneNote application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Microsoft OneNote application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here I'm already logged into my account. So if you also want to turn off sync all page content, it is very simple. All you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top you'll be able to see your account over here. You'll be able to find the options like settings, help and support, send feedback to Microsoft. Simply tap on the option settings that you can see at first. Now you can see over here you'll be led to settings interface. From here you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find the settings options for notebooks. Also you'll be able to access the settings of sticky notes. You'll also be able to access the general settings from here. If you want to turn off sync all page content, this option is available in the notebook section. You can see over here at second you'll be able to find the option for sync all page content. If you sync all page content, all content from the pages of an open notebook will be downloaded, including all files and images. Right now it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, simply toggle the button that you can see right next to this option. Now sync all page content has been turned off. Now your content from the pages of an open notebook will not be downloaded. So that is how you turn off sync all page content on OneNote. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.